Heavy rain in West Sumatra's Pesisir Selatan district has caused a landslide severing the main highway linking the province to neighboring Bengkulu. The traffic was held up for 6 kilometers either side of the incident in Pasar Baru, Bayang sub-district. The 100-meter landslide completely covered the main highway, although the road has since been partly cleared with the help of local residents and an excavator to allow one car to proceed at a time. The local residents are helping manage traffic at the site so it can run in both directions. Efforts to clear the rest of the highway are ongoing.